What's up, everybody? I'm Joey Rockenstein, and I am at 11714 Sproule Avenue in Pacoima. That's right, the moi. Checking out this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, totally redone house, just listed, available for lease. Let's check it out. Here we go on up to the front of the house. This house is 1,025 square feet. New front door. This house that I mentioned was redone. Open it up and check it out. Space on space. Living room area. Plenty of space to put that 65-foot television. Dining room. All new window coverings. And on into your galley kitchen. This kitchen was completely redone. Quartz countertops. New sink, custom cabinetry, and of course the backsplash on the back. Ooh, that's nice. Checking out the back of the house. Again, this is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Bedroom number 1. Good closet space. New window coverings again. Master bedroom. On out to the hallway. 1 of 2 bathrooms. Dual vanities. Hey now. Subway tiles with backsplash. Shower tub combo. And plenty of space. The linen closet here, which is great for all your linens and things. Didn't that used to be a store? On into bedroom number 3. This actually could be a master as well if you wanted to be in a second bathroom. 4 bathings and rooms, and your closet area right here. On out backyard, your own little Zen garden. Getting Zen with it. It's a new Will Smith song. And enjoying these Pacoima sunsets right here. You can enjoy this in your own backyard right here. The price for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, $3,000 a month. That's right, all this can be yours for a 3-bed, 2-bath, totally redone house. Come and get it. I'm Joey Rockenstein. Check out this Pacoima sunset.